lot of times we load into games and we have this problem right here where we can't sprint or do none of that. So in today's video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to go from this to this. So you can run, jump, whatever you want to do. What you have to do firstly is go in your settings. Then once you're in your settings, you have to go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The seventh one right here where it said keyboard controls. From here, you're gonna have to scroll down. Then once you scroll down, you have to go to the last one right here where it said force walk. So just put it to whatever you want. A lot of you guys set it to a keybind that you guys often just click by accident. So just make sure you just put it on a keybind you never use. So even if it happens, you're just in a game, you're just like walking like this, you could just click on that same keybind and just fix it, you know what I'm saying? So that's how you fix Fortnite walking bug in 2024. If this video helped, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.